Hi guys, welcome to Girl Got Style. Welcome to my little channel. It's me again, Juel Stokes. Well, what can I say? What is going on? I am totally in shock personally. I don't know about anyone else. I hope everyone else is managing to deal with the situation. I'm a bit in shock that half the country are unemployed all of a sudden. I'm also in shock that the government have hired out the Excel, because I've been to the Excel several times and I have to say it's the biggest building I have ever been in. It takes you half an hour to get to the front door. It's so big. You've never seen anything like it. Just walking inside, oh, it's crazy. I can't even explain to you. It's so big. So that is horrifying that they've kept that to one side for beds. So let's hope it's just a waste of money and we don't actually need those beds. I'm thinking how we're going to get some shopping. Can't get online, can't get on Ocado, can't get on Sainsbury's. So marks and spencers are not doing a click and collect, I don't think. So I don't know. I'm thinking that I could wear an old top that I've got that I don't like a hoodie, and that I've worn loads, and a pair of old jogging bottoms that I don't really like. Well, actually they're not really old, the ones I'm thinking about, but I don't really like them. Wear them, wear some marigold gloves, wear some goggles, building goggles that I've got, a building mask, tie my hair up, put the hoodie up, go in the shop. I've got to find an old pair of trainers. I've chucked all my old trainers away, but I'll have to find a pair, and then go in the shop, get some food, come out. I think probably get some petrol if I'm dressed up like a clown, because we need some petrol. And then when we get back, just put everything in a plastic bag, all the clothes, take them off outside the flat, because this is what I read online that you should do. Take all your clothes off outside the flat, all your outer clothes, like so the jogging top, the jogging leggings, but I'm not even sure if that's going to be safe. This disease is supposed to be so contagious. And talking about unemployment, I mean, I've actually suffered from a lot of employment over the last sort of like, I don't know, partly due to health, well mainly due to health. I don't wish this on anybody. Definitely don't wish this on anybody, because what I've had to deal with personally is horrendous, especially when you're really ill. And then like, I've been offered so many good jobs. I mean, you will not even believe some of the jobs that I've been offered. One job was like 50k a year to like PR a dance company, and it just wasn't well enough to take it, which is just really annoying. So welcome to my world. Now everybody else is in the same boat as us. I mean, I won't wish it on them, but at least people know how it feels if you've got like health problems. Yeah, my health problems are not anything that I've done. It's not through like taking drugs, or although that is a disease anyway. I would never criticise anybody for, you know, if people are like really overweight or they really got anorexia or anything. They're all diseases. My disease, unfortunately, is there's a connection between my nerves and my brain. It's just one of those things that just happens to lots of people randomly. So yeah, welcome to my world. I mean, I'm just a bit gutted because I was hoping that, oh God, I'm treading on my sunglasses. I was hoping to get out and be doing more stuff this year. But never mind. It's not that bad sitting in the garden. It's quite nice. When the breeze goes. Yeah, it was a bit chilly about 10 minutes ago because it was like breezy, but all of a sudden it's gone really nice. And one thing I will say is we normally have planes going over. Not all the time, but at the weekends and holidays we seem to get a lot of planes, and sometimes it can even be every minute. And really weirdly enough, the sky is so blue, it's so beautiful, and there's no clouds. I've never known this sky like the 4 consecutive days without any clouds. That's just like, there's always clouds in the afternoon. I can't explain to you the difference. And also I noticed in the morning the birds always sing here, but the birds in the morning seem to be singing a lot louder than normal and a lot happier. I think it's good for the environment, this. So it'll be interesting to see what happens in a year's time. Hopefully we'll get over this. Lots of people won't end up needing the XL. It'll be fine. But I think there's a lot of lessons to be learned about the environment. I mean, I'd already learned that I just bought too many clothes and it wasn't necessary. But talking about clothes, because I am about fashion, I mean, I'm still going to be fashionable no matter what. Even if we can't buy clothes, I'll just make clothes. I'll always be a fashionable person. But look at this outfit. It looks like I'm in my pajamas. They're not actually pajamas. It's actually an outfit. I got it from, I think I might have got it from Misguided. I'll have to check the label. I wore it in Future Ventura. We went to Future Ventura, me and my husband, because I really like the name of it, and I love the Canaries anyway. It's one of the Canary Islands, and we went one day for a trip to Caleta, and we had our caricatures done, and I was wearing this, and it was so hot, and this outfit was so hot. But you know what? It's worth it for a look in it. It did look really cool, and the shorts. Just have a look. They were really quite tight at the time, and they were a little bit uncomfortable. You know what I mean, girls, when they pinch you in your bum area. They're baggy now. Result. I mean, that's always so good when that happens. I don't know why, but I must have lost weight. I've just not been drinking very much. I think that's why I've lost weight. And doing loads of exercise, doing yoga every day. So results. Anyway, stay positive. We'll get through this. We're all friends. Yeah, it's going to be fine. We've just got to hold tight. I know it's really stressful. I got style. You got style. Girl got style. Signing out.